how to fix Samsung A16 camera distortion. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time like that. And then you can see the option restart. Now restart your device. After restarting your device, clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and now scroll down and click on apps. Now scroll down and open camera and then click on camera setting. Now scroll down in last and here you can see the option reset settings. Now click on it and reset your camera settings. After reset your camera settings, then go back to your main page of settings and then open device care and then scroll down and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. After checking the updated version, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.